Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Fonseca, and today we are going to do one of 3 Halloween looks. So if you want to see a rendition of a skull look that I saw on TikTok, then just keep watching. Okay, so now you're probably asking me, what is this rendition of a skull look that you're going to be doing? And it is this one right here. I saw it from the creator Ruby.Graham on TikTok, and I said, oh my gosh, ideas, I love it, wow. So she is the inspiration for today. Girl, you killed it. But we're gonna go along this ride because it is a complex look, but it can be somewhat easy if we think about it. So today I'm going to be using my Makeup a Murder Chemical X along with my Poison Makeup a Murder UV Neon Pigment with my Suva FX liner. Now, I already have my base done, okay? Jot this down. Literally, I did foundation, I did bronzer, and I soaked my brows back. Put some concealer, powdered that up, and we're done. Because we're going to be going over all of this right here, so don't worry. So, first things first, jotted that down? Okay, so first things first, how we're gonna do it is I'm going to take this Makeup a Murder Chemical X, and the more watery it is, the better. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the pigment that I have and emulsify it, and we will be right back. Okay, so what we're gonna end up doing is, this is gonna be a bunch of little dots. So we're gonna start right here. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna start with this side of my face. Once we're complete, we'll come right back. From the image, she goes down right here, but I'm going to do a skull. So we're gonna make it a little bit more complex, but you get the gist. Okay, so now this is when we have the eye look done. And like I told you, it looks a lot harder than it actually is. So what I love to do is I always love to delineate or basically outline where my jawline is, and I just basically go to the high points of my cheekbone, and I'm just gonna start going this way until I come down here. And there you go. You see how that goes? Super easy, like, and then you just come down. We have that. Hardest part. Let me stop licking my lips. Is literally the lips. The teeth section is the hardest part. So I'm going to take some of this foundation on this side and foundation my lips. Now, usually what you want to do after you foundation your lips, and usually when you go ahead and do the line, there's going to be a line in between. This time we're not doing anything in between where your lips touch because it can get hectic and not look good. So we are adapting. With the years, we've learned and we've adapted. So let's go ahead. So what we're gonna do is, they look like regular teeth. So I'm gonna kind of outline my teeth right here. So Okay, easy enough, right? So I have only been with this pink as of right now. I haven't even touched the Suva FX because we're supposed to like, I really want to do this nice contrast. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom teeth and do some of the detailing on the upper and bottom teeth, if that makes sense. I'm gonna get a finer brush and I'm gonna make finer dots. I went ahead and did all of the fine dotting on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side and we will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other side, but now we're gonna go in with the Suva FX waterliner, which is this right here, which will give us a cool contrast. So I'm applying water to this and now I'm just going to go ahead and try and make this as liquidy as possible so that we can apply it right over top. And I will fast forward this just so that you can get the gist of it, but honestly, have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It will look good regardless. So there we go. I think I'm about there. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. And then have fun with it and tap around. Okay, so now that we have the skull done, the eyes look kind of bland, so like we need it to pow. So with that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. Now this palette has been discontinued by Morphe. Excuse my dog. And my boyfriend. But we're gonna go ahead and do a smoky eye look. Only thing is, the palette has been discontinued, so honestly use any palette that you would like that would get you a smoky eye look. And excuse my dog crying in the background. Hi.
Wow.
You wanna say hi to the camera?
My turn.
Go ahead in with another brush and just buff it out. I'm going into this more nudie shade right here. Now, part of me wants to use a little bit of pink, so we're gonna go in with this mauve shade and just put that in with this to kind of give it a pink hue. Okay, so I went ahead and dimmed the lights. I did some lashes just to give it a little bit of a zhuzh, but I am going to cut the lights and give you guys the full effect of this look. And there we have it, our first Halloween look in the books for 2021. We had a little hiatus, but we're back and better than ever. If you guys really enjoyed this video and if it was easy enough for you guys to follow with, please go ahead and give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you're notified of my upcoming videos, because we have some really cool ones coming through. And I know we had a hiatus, that's gonna be for another video, but with all of that being said, if you've subscribed to this channel, you know what the deal is. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.